So a couple years ago I made a video about my little paint shaker. Basically you can turn this on to help mix a liquid in a can, and then it's also got this vibrating motor, and that helps uh, vibrate the liquid in the can. And I've been using this for 2-3 years now. But I ran across this old back massager, and what I did was I tapped and put nuts here, and I cut some pop bottles and slid them in with washers, and I put these zip ties in, and I'll put a couple cans in and show you what it does. These are just reusable zip ties. They release and you slide the can right out.